Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 6 subject English. In this lesson we will study in Iqra Phonic Reader book 2 page 83 to page 91. Students, in this lesson we will study about the phonic sound of double letter sound and four letter sound. The first one is GU, G, the sound of G. Second one is double letter sound PH, F. Students, G is having one sound number, F has also one sound number, and this one is four letter sound OUGH is having six sound numbers. OUGH is four letter sound which is having six sound numbers. We will study in this lesson. So our first one phonic sound is G. So first we will study about phonic sound G. GU, G. G. Students, there are many words, there are much words in which the sound of G is used, but in few the sound of U is kept silent. So let's study. He is a god. This is a guest house. Holy Quran is our guidebook. The criminal is guilty. This is fire. Extinguisher means आग बुझाने वाला अमला. Worksheet of the phonogram G. Students, these are the words in which the sound of G is used. Disguise, God, guava. Insert the missing phonogram to make meaningful words. In the blanks, we use the sound of G, double letter sound, to make meaningful words like guess, guilty, God and guitar. Match and write the G words. Students, I have matched these words and rewrite in these blanks. There are other words in which the sound of G is used like guests, guess, guide. The next one sound is double letter sound, which is included in our lesson. So let's study. F. The sound of PH. F. Students, there are many words in which the sound of F is used. The phone is ringing. This is an elephant. Pharmacy. F. The sound of F is used. Pharmacy is closed. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Physics is difficult. So this is an interesting lesson. This is an interesting lesson in which we study about many words in which the sound of double letter sound PH is used. So let's study elephant and telephone. Once there was an elephant who tried to use the telephone. No, I mean an elephone. An elephone, as in the title we studied, Telephony. However it was, he got his trunk. Entangled in the telephone. The more he tried to get it free, the louder buzzed the telephone. Worksheet for the phonogram F. There are the words in which the sound of F is used like sphere, telephone, graph. Look and write F words like sphere, graph. Match each word with its picture. I have matched the words with picture. Read, match and write the words. I have matched the words the same words and rewrite it in these blanks. So students, our next topic is four letter sound OUGH. Students, OUGH is a four letter sound which is having 6 number of sounds. In this lesson, we will study about the words in which the sound of OUGH is used in different ways. As we are going to study the words, so I will tell you about the sound numbers that in many ways the sound of OUGH is used in the words. So let's study. She is kneading dough. She is kneading dough. They got thoroughly. Wet in the rain. They got thoroughly. Wet in the rain. Students, the sound of OUGH in both the words is used in different way. Dough means ow and thoroughly. Ow. The two sounds which we study about OUGH. Students, we will study about more sounds in this lesson. He passed through the gate. Ooh. He passed through the gate. Ooh. So, ow, ooh. The three sounds we have studied about OUGH. He passed through the gate. This is enough food for all. This is enough food for all. Uff. Let's study. O, oo, uff. The four sounds we studied about OUGH. Maths is tough. Maths is tough. I took cough syrup. I took cough syrup. Uff. The cows are eating from the trough. I bought a car. I bought a car. This is fifth one sound. He brought cows. He brought cows. The plow is used for sowing. Plow. This is sixth one sound. Bow is full of apples. Bow is full of apples. This is sixth one sound. Let's study again the words in which in 6 ways the sound of four letter sound OUGH is used in these words, like dove, thoroughly, through, enough, tough, cuff, trough, boat, brought, plow, bow. First one sound is ow. Do, o, thoroughly, o, through, oo, uff, in enough. This is fourth one. First one is o, in dove, dove, o, in dove, o, in thoroughly, oo, in through, third one sound, uff, in enough, tough, cuff and trough, and fourth one o, in boat and in brought, and sixth one sound is ow, in plow and bow. The dove boy. The wild dove boy fought with a bow. with a bow as he threw the borrow. Enough when he is on for love, even though he ought not to get overwrought because of the drought, it's of naught. I will repeat this lesson, an interesting lesson. The wild dove boy fought with a bow as he threw the borrow. Enough when he is on for love, even though he ought not to get overwrought because of the drought, it's of naught. The words written in colorful way are the words in which the sound of four-letter sound is used in 6 ways. Let's come to worksheet. Worksheet for the phonogram. OUGH. Drought, fought, dove, through. These are the words in which the sound of four-letter sound is used. Make and write OUG words. Bow, through, thought, and rough. Read, match, and write the words. Students, I have matched the words and rewrite it in these blanks like in enough, sought, dove, through, drought, and dove. While throw, donuts, and cuff are the words in which the sound of OUGH four-letter sound is used. Do practice of these sounds and enhance your pronunciation. Also do this work in your ICRA Phonic Reader Book 2 and learn it. Stay safe at home. God bless you.